What if the secrets to groundbreaking designs lay hidden in nature? Biomimicry, the practice of drawing inspiration from biological systems, offers incredible insights. From the Velcro inspired by burrs to energy-efficient buildings mimicking termite mounds, nature's solutions are often superior. This approach not only fosters sustainable designs, but also enhances functionality. Engineers and designers study biological processes to solve human challenges. For instance, shark skin-inspired surfaces reduce drag in swimming suits and ships. As we delve deeper into these natural innovations, we must ask ourselves, how many more revelations lie within nature's grasp, waiting to be uncovered?